Hello everyone, it's LeetCode 28 problem. Implement the strStr method. Actually, it's a simple problem. It says if a string contains a substring, then return the index. The haystack is here hello and the needle is LL. So thus 2 is the index where the needle begins, and if it doesn't matches we'll simply return -1. It's like the find string.find for Python. Here what we're going to do, we are just going to loop over through it. And also I have the thing is, if the length is 2, we cannot expect that the last element is going to be the answer, because we needs 2 string. And another thing is here, I just compared the string from the beginning to the length of the needle, if it matches or not. If it matches, I have returned the index, otherwise it's going to be written -1. Also the other thing is, you might say that the best way to be memory efficient is to use another loop and compare it, but in Python we're going to get the memory limit if we do so. In Go or another language, or C++ or another language, we can do these things like use another for loop and check this thing, and it will work fine here. If I submit it, it's going to work fine with the goLang, and you can see the memory is efficient. But if we do the same for Python, we are going to have the memory limit. So in Python we are going to use this sub array to compare, and which is not very much memory efficient. Okay, thank you.